Good afternoon. Today I want to try to prepare something about the double entry. So let's quickly do that. Double entry. Double entry. Okay, so double entry. Double means two. Means two. Entry. Entry means recording. Therefore, double entry is the recording of a transaction twice. Double entry is the recording of a transaction twice in the ledger. Every transaction gives rise to two entries. Every transaction gives rise to two entries. The debit and the credit. What to debit depends on the transaction that has taken place. What to debit depends on the transaction that has taken place. So when we are saying what to debit or credit, so we are saying when assets, so we say debit and credit here. So when do we debit assets? When assets increase, you debit. When they decrease, you credit. When do assets increase? When you receive payment. When you receive money in your cash book or bank. In your cash book or bank. So there will be an increase. And then when you pay out, your assets in form of cash decrease. Okay, let's move to the next item. Expenses. When expenses increase, you debit. When they decrease, you credit. Liabilities. Liabilities, when liabilities decrease, that's when we debit. When they increase, you debit. When do liabilities increase? When you get a loan, your liabilities increase. Income, when income decrease, You debit. When income increase, you credit. When does your income increase? When you make a sale. Sales increase income, so we credit. Sales are credit entries. Unless they decrease, that's when you debit. Let's move now to a more practical, a few examples. For example, number 1, I bought fixtures by check, kwacha 2,000. Bought fixtures by check, kwacha 2,000. Your double entry will be, I'm sure you know fixtures. Fixtures, these are things which will be stationed maybe in the office. This can be chairs, tables, anything related to that. So fixtures, bought fixtures by check, 2,000 kwacha. The double entry will be debit, fixtures account, 2,000 kwacha, and then credit. You paid by check, so it's a bank account. If you paid by cash, you say cash account there, 2,000 kwacha. That's our first double entry. Our second double entry is paid rent by cash. Paid rent by cash, kwacha 600. Your double entry will be debit rent, which is an expense account, kwacha 600. Then credit your cash account, since you paid by cash. You credit your cash account, 600 kwacha. Number 3, received overpayment of rent refund, by cash. The amount is 50 kwacha. The statement says received overpayment of rent refund by cash, 50 kwacha. Double entry will be, since it's a refund of the amount that we overpaid, we are going to debit our cash account. Money is coming into our cash account. That's kwacha 50. And then credit the rent expense account. Rent expense account, 50 kwacha. Number 4, obtained loan from the bank. Obtain loan from the bank by check. By check, the amount is 3,000 kwacha. 3,000 kwacha. Our double entry will be, since we obtained the loan, cash is coming in, debit bank account. It was by check, so bank account, kwacha 3,000. Then credit loan account, which which is a liability, 3,000 kwacha. That's the double entry there, number 4. Let's do number 5. Number 5, repaid part of loan. Repaid part of loan